In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in your Behance portfolio. Let's get started by opening Behance in your web browser and logging into your account. Make sure you're signed in to the right profile where you actually want the project to live. Once you're on the Behance homepage, look for the option to create a new project. Usually, you'll see a Create or New Project button at the top of the screen. Click that to open the project editor. After the editor loads, you'll see a blank canvas where you can build your project. This is where you'll be adding your video, along with any images or text you want to include. Before we insert the video, it's a good idea to think about the structure of your project. Maybe a short title at the top, a brief description, then your video, and supporting visuals or text below it. To add a video, move your mouse over the canvas and look for the option that lets you insert media. This is often represented by a plus icon. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose the one for embedding or adding video. Behance doesn't host video files directly, so your video needs to be uploaded to a supported platform first, like YouTube, Vimeo, or another compatible service. Once your video is already online, copy its share or embed link. Back in Behance, paste that video link into the field provided. Behance will automatically fetch and display a preview of the video. Give it a moment to load, and you should see the video frame appear in your project. If it looks correct, you can drag it up or down on the page to position it exactly where you want it in your layout. Now is a great time to add some context around your video. Above the video, type a clear title so viewers know what they're about to watch. Below it, add a description explaining the concept, your role in the project, the tools you used, or the problem you were solving. This extra information helps viewers and potential clients understand your work better. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the preview option to see your project the way others will see it. Check that the video plays properly, the text is readable, and the layout feels clean. If something looks off, go back and adjust spacing, move elements around, or refine your description. Finally, once you're satisfied, click the Publish button. Choose the right creative fields and tags so people can find your work, then confirm. Your Behance project is now live, and your video is successfully added to your portfolio.